Hello my loves, I am delighted to introduce you to the Christmas Village, and the Christmas Village consists of 6 little stores. This one is Perfect Purses. It's a pop-up card with layers and it comes in its own little envelope. They've all got their own little envelope, a little peekaboo envelope that just sits like that. You've got writing space on the front there and on the back. I'm going to take this out. We've got a little removable tag in the front here. This title forms a little tuck spot, and we've got these lovely purses in front of the purse store. There are also a book store, a candy store, a perfume store. This purses one, socks and toys. So there are 6 in this series of little market stall pop-ups. Come with me and let's see how we put them together. They all go together in the same way. So follow this video for all of the cards in this series. Let's have a look how they're made. So here are my bits and bobs cut out. For each store in the Christmas Village, you've got 2 pages. You've got one page that has the shop or the store on it, and you've got the other one that has the envelope and various other bits and bobs. Now I've reverse printed the one with the store on, and I haven't reverse printed the one with the envelope on. You can reverse print both if you want to. If you don't, your little tags are going to be white on the back, and that's what I wanted. I'm on 250 gram as usual. Right, let's get started. Let's put all the bits and bobs to one side and score the actual store itself. You can see the lines you need to follow. So we're going to score all of them. Some of them are a bit faint. I wanted to keep them. Oh, do you know what? We're not scoring those. No, you're scoring the first thick line here, and you're scoring the very end section, the little tab at the end. Those other 2 lines, Emma, you ninny, are guidelines for you to stick the various pop-up elements. And you score that one all the way up. It comes up here a little bit. Right, now we can go. It's been one of those mornings with this printing this kit out. I've had no end of problems with my printer. But I'm there now, and it's all going to go swimmingly. There we go. So fold these 2 pieces inwards like this. Your little tabs at the front here are also going to fold inwards. It's very simple when we get going. When you print, it'll talk to you. It works a charm. Right, these 2 pieces here need scoring on the little lines. So remember, when you come to score, don't score those lines. These 2 lines in the middle here, don't score them. That's wrong. Let's get these done. If I can get hold of it. There we go. These can come forwards or backwards. It doesn't really matter. If we go forwards with them, it means that we get blue on blue. So they'll go like that. Or you can go backwards. Doesn't really make any difference. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go backwards. Yeah, if you go backwards, when you stick this on, it means that your stripy bit will show on the side there. If you go forwards, it means that your blue will be there, so it's less visible. Up to you. Right, I'm going to take one of our tabs and line it up. I want it to be, when it's all finished, I want these 2 strips, these pop-up strips, to be level with the top of this one. And this one goes on here, like that. So I'm going to take one of my tabs. You might be able to see a little bit of a gluey mark there. I'd already glued mine and decided to do it a different way and unstuck it again. So I'm going to put my little strip here where the tab meets this angle, and I've drawn myself a little line there, a little mark, so that I know where I'm going. And I'm going to put some glue on one of my tabs on the first strip here, and I'm going to eyeball it in line with that little mark I've just drawn for myself, and stick that on using the first mark down here as my guide. Make sure it's straight, and I can see that it's running parallel here, so that's fine. Take my other tab don't know why I'm calling these tabs. These were strips. Glue the tab. Same thing again. I'm going to go in the same place. Line them both up so they're both nice and straight together like that, using the second line as a guide this time. There. Now I can fold this little tab over at the end, get some glue on there, get this little purse out of the way, stick this piece on. Now I can see that my levels are a little higher than I thought they were going to be, but that's absolutely fine, that'll work. And when that's glued on, we can open this piece up, get some glue onto these two tabs here, make sure you don't glue anything you don't need to stick. Fold this piece around, pop it down on top, pop some glue onto this tab here, fold this on top, and there we are. That's the basic structure for our little Christmas village stores. And when we pop this up, we've got these layers inside. You may or may not be able to fold it flat the other way. In theory, you should be able to, but sometimes our folds aren't quite perfect. And they fold one way easier than they fold the other, but that's working fine both ways. It's fine if yours is a little bit off on one side, it's absolutely fine. We've got these panels, these are for the side. I've done no inking so far. Let's get me ink out. And I'll ink these panels just to give them a little bit of definition against the background. And you've got two panels, one to go on one side and one to go on the other side. So I'm just going to glue those down. Like that. So there's a little bit of a border there. So that's nice. Gives you an extra bit of rigidity. And these layers that you add, they add some nice weight and it gives you a really nice luxury feel to your finished thing. And these things will be lovely either for display or for card swapping. There we are. And they don't take long to come together either. We've got handbag heaven perfect purses. Quite like that one. I'm going to stick this one on the front, and I'm also going to make a little tuck spot for it. So I'm not going to glue the whole thing. I'm just going to glue either side. Pop that down straight. Pop this on the right way around. A little way down with a little border. There we are. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Then one of my little handbags or purses can pop in the front there if I don't use them all inside. So now I need to decide where I'm going to pop these. I've got 5 of them. I might pop them on angles actually. That might be nice. Sorry about my arm across the thing there. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to glue, which way did I say? I'm just going to glue a little bit of this corner. And I'm going to pop that on here. Or shall I pop it straight? Yeah, go on, I'll go straight. There. Now I'm going to take another tall one, which is that one there. So I've got the tallest at the back. I'll pop that, a little bit of glue on the bottom of that one. And pop this on the back strut. Stage? Stage! I'm going to say stage. On the back stage like that. We can go like that if we want to. Squish that down. And then I've got 3 bags left, which is perfect. I've got a purse to go in the front, which I'll pop on an angle. I'll pop the front 2 on angles. That's rather nice, isn't it? I'll pop the first purse on first. And I'm gluing onto the front stage now. So just pop that on there. And I've got another handbag that I'm going to pop on an angle in the other direction to go here. And again, squish that down like that. And I've got one handbag left, or purse, depending on where you are in the world, that's going to tuck in my front pocket like that. And that, my loves, is it. If you want to make a tiny little tag and string that, you can do. I'm just going to glue mine on for the sake of the video. Like that, and pop it on there. Could go up there. Oh, I like it up there actually. That's quite nice. There we go. Get that bit of glue off there, Parish. Right, that's it. That's the card done. Let's have a look at the envelope, which is absolutely so simple. You've got 2 tabs at the front there. Get them nice and straight. And then you've got a score line to follow at the bottom of those tabs. There is a line. It's quite faint, it probably won't show up on the video. And if you want to reverse print this page, then absolutely, you go ahead and do that. Fold everything in to the middle. Glue on your tabs. And fold that up. I didn't think my blinking thumb cut, what a ninny. There we go. So that is our envelope, and I've also got a couple of titles spare. I gave you an option because it's always nice to have an option, isn't it? There, so I'll stick that one on the front because I've got it. And there we go. There's your envelope. There's your card to pop inside. It doesn't fit all the way. It's designed to go peekaboo over the top like that. But it's a lovely little thing. If you're sending that in the mail, obviously you're going to want to pop it in another envelope. Otherwise, you're able to gift it and just write on the front of the envelope there. And there it is. There's our perfect purses. There are another 5 of these. I hope you absolutely love this. I hope it's gifted and well received. I will see you next time.